What is multiplicative comparison? Multiplicative comparison means comparing two things or sets that need multiplication. For example, Sam has twice as many balloons as Sid has. Sid has 3 balloons. Sam has twice as many balloons as Sid has. So the number of balloons that Sam has is 2 times 3, or 6. Problems for multiplicative comparison are generally word problems and can be solved forming an equation. A multiplicative comparison problem can be defined as a problem in which 1. Two verbal statements are used to compare two sets of items, and 2. It determines a multiplication equation. 3. The equation includes numbers and alphabet in which the alphabet is the variable. Example of a multiplicative comparison problem using the equation. A building is 18 feet tall and the building is 3 times Jerry's height. How tall is Jerry? Let Jerry's height be h. So h is our variable to represent the unknown height. The height of the building equals 18 feet, and we know that that is 3 times Jerry's height. That is 3 times h. Therefore, 18 equals 3 times h. Dividing both sides by 3, we can say that we know that h is equal to 18 divided by 3, or 6. So Jerry is 6 feet tall. Multiplicative comparison problems usually use phrases like times as many, like 3 times as many candies, times more, 5 times more apples, times as much, 7 times as much as the blue ribbon, times as large, 10 times as large as a brick. Here's an example of how a multiplicative comparison word problem can be used using comparison bar models. Sarah's ribbon is 4 centimeters long. Kevin's ribbon is 3 times as long as Sarah's ribbon. So Sarah's ribbon, we can use one part of our bar model to show as 4 centimeters. If we know that Kevin's ribbon is 3 times as long, so we're going to need 3 of those pieces. Each of those pieces is 4 centimeters, so 3 times 4 centimeters equals 12 centimeters. So Kevin's ribbon is 12 centimeters long.